Your huge suitcase is way too heavy.
I only packed my basic essentials today.
The airline staff said it is overweight.
I cannot afford the expensive extra fee.
Open your bag right here, right now.
There are hundreds of people watching us.
Do it before we miss our flight.
I am feeling extremely embarrassed about this.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Traveling with friends is fun, but airports can be incredibly stressful. Have you ever packed too much and faced a huge penalty fee at the airport? Today, we are learning survival airport English. In Part 1, we will master core vocabulary like baggage allowance and check-in counter. Then in Part 2, we will practice useful phrasal verbs like take out, put on, and pack up when you have to repack your luggage in a panic. Let's help Leo fix his overweight bag.
Put your luggage on the weighing scale.
It says 30 kilograms on the screen.
Your baggage allowance is only 20 kilos.
I really need all my heavy clothes.
Step aside from the busy check-in counter.
People are staring at me very angrily.
You are blocking the entire line, Leo.
The airline rules are completely unfair today.
They will charge a massive overweight fee.
How much does the extra weight cost?
It costs $50 for every kilogram.
That is literally a daylight robbery.
Stop complaining and fix the problem quickly.
My suitcase zipper is totally stuck now.
Pull it harder to open the bag.
My clothes are spilling everywhere around us.
You packed 5 thick winter jackets inside.
The weather prediction said it gets cold.
We are going to a tropical beach.
I just wanted to be very prepared.
You overpacked for a short weekend trip.
Help me fix this embarrassing mess, please.
We have exactly 5 minutes to repack.
Tell me exactly what I should do.
Take out those heavy boots right now.
I will wear them on the plane.
Put on your thickest winter coats immediately.
I am wearing 3 jackets already, Mia.
Throw away those big shampoo bottles quickly.
They cost me a lot of money.
The hotel provides free soap and shampoo.
I am tossing them in the trash.
Give me some of your heavy books.
You are willing to carry my stuff?
My suitcase still has some empty space.
You are a real lifesaver today, Mia.
Just pack up the remaining items carefully.
The bag feels much lighter than before.
Let us weigh it on the scale.
It is exactly 20 kilograms right now.
Zip it up and get your passport.
I am completely ready for the check-in.
Let us go get our boarding passes. Next time I will pack much lighter. You just triggered the loud airport security alarm.
I forgot my metal belt.
Take it off right now.
The passengers behind us are getting extremely impatient. My laptop is buried very deep.
Put your electronics in the plastic bin. Empty your pockets completely right now.
I still have some loose metal coins.
They will search you manually if you fail.
I am walking through carefully.
Why did the machine beep?
I accidentally left my thick leather boots on.
They told you to remove all shoes.
I am totally confused by this.
They found a large water bottle in there.
I was extremely thirsty earlier.
You must throw the liquid away.
This strict security process is a massive headache.
Just follow the basic terminal instructions next time.
I finally passed the scanner.
Grab your heavy bags quickly.
We need to find our flight departure gate.
We are running out of time today.
Let us hurry to the plane.
Check the gate number on there.
My boarding pass says gate 12 very clearly.
We are standing at gate 12 right now.
Why is the plane empty?
Look at the electronic board.
It says a long flight to Tokyo, Japan.
We are flying to Hawaii this morning.
I read the wrong gate number.
You made a terrible travel mistake today, Leo.
Where is our actual flight?
It was changed to gate 40.
That terminal is extremely far away from here. I hear a loud terminal announcement right now.
They are calling our names.
This is the final call.
We have exactly 10 minutes before doors close.
I am completely out of breath already.
Keep running through this massive airport.
We are totally lost in here.
The signs are pointing in different strange directions.
We must ask someone for urgent directions immediately.
I will stop that staff.
Please run faster right now.
We cannot miss our expensive tropical beach vacation.
Excuse me, we need some urgent airport help.
Point us to gate 40.
We are incredibly late today.
How do we reach the airplane gate quickly? The departure sign is extremely confusing.
This way.
Please give us the fastest route.
He said go straight ahead now.
Turn left after the big coffee shop.
Do we need to take a passenger train?
We must catch the SkyTrain.
Where is the SkyTrain station?
It is right down this long, empty hallway. The airport train is leaving soon.
Oh.
Run fast to catch it now. Step inside the train car quickly right now.
Deal! The doors are closing fast. How many stops remain here?
It is the second stop on this line. I finally see the terminal building. Get ready to run outside.
The gate is right there.
I see the airline staff waiting for us.
Hand them your boarding pass immediately, right now.
Thank you for waiting patiently.
We finally made it safely.
I can breathe a huge sigh of relief.
My legs are completely exhausted from running fast.
We survived the airport.
Find your designated passenger seat.
I am putting my heavy bag away safely.
Sit down and fasten your seatbelt.
I am truly sorry about earlier.
You caused a massive panic at the airport.
I will be extremely careful.
You almost ruined our vacation.
I definitely owe you one for saving me.
Buy me a nice dinner tonight.
I will pay for the expensive meal happily.
I accept your sincere personal apology right now.
You are a patient friend.
This was a crazy start.
It will be a very funny memory later.
The plane is taking off.
Let us enjoy our beautiful tropical beach vacation.
Wake me up when the delicious food arrives.
Have a good sleep today.
Safe travels to us both.
Here is to an incredible journey together now.
Wow, what a roller coaster of emotions. Traveling is amazing, but airport emergencies can make anyone sweat bullets. In this episode, we learned how to survive an airport disaster. We started with core vocabulary, like baggage allowance and overweight fee. Then, we used essential phrasal verbs like take out and put on when Leo had to repack his bags in a panic. Most importantly, we learned polite requests. When you are lost and running late, knowing how to say, "Excuse me, could you point us to the gate?" can literally save your entire vacation. Learning English is not just about perfect grammar, it is about connecting with people and solving real problems together. If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone you know is too busy to study. And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell.